Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update your Steam application to the latest version. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Now, here's something important you need to know before we continue. Steam actually updates automatically by default, so most of the time your client should already be running the latest version. However, if you're experiencing issues or want to manually check for updates, there are a few ways to force this process. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the word Steam in the menu bar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, select Check for Steam Client Updates. This action tells Steam to immediately check if there's a newer version available and begin downloading it if one exists. The application will then verify whether your current version is up to date or if an update needs to be installed. Give it a moment to complete this check. Now, if you've tried this method and it still doesn't seem to be working or the update isn't installing properly, here's what you should do next. Close Steam completely, make sure it's not running in the background by checking your system tray. Then reopen the application fresh. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to trigger the update process and get everything working smoothly again. If you're still running into issues after trying those steps, there's one more solution that often resolves update problems. Find the Steam shortcut on your desktop. Once you've located it, right-click on the Steam icon. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Properties to access the shortcut settings. In the Properties window that appears, click on the Compatibility tab in the top menu. This section controls how Steam runs on your system and can resolve many common issues. Here you'll see several checkboxes with different compatibility options. Check the box beside Run this program as an administrator. Enabling this setting gives Steam the necessary permissions to update itself without being blocked by your system's security features. After you've checked that box, click Apply first to save your changes. Then click OK to close the Properties window. These permissions ensure Steam can properly download and install updates without any restrictions. And that's it. You've now covered all the methods to update Steam to its latest version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.